Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete Lazada account. I wonder why you want to know how to delete Lazada account. Maybe because you have created another account so you don't need it, or maybe you're having some issues with the account so you just want to delete the account, or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can delete your account on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options, different categories, a lot of products, and some of the options at the bottom in our home screen. So as you can see, we have a lot of products that you could purchase and get enjoy them. So this is your for you section, therefore you could see it. If you click on it, this will be a feed. There you could also see different stuff, and other than that, we have this message option. Here you will get details about orders and chats and alerts. And here you will see different things that will be added into your cart. And this is your profile or account option. There you will see your profile information and a lot of options on your home screen. After that, you will also see another option, which is the settings icon at the top. Just simply click onto this one and then you will get into the settings. Once you get here, first you will write off settings, and there you will see a lot of option. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, just simply click on this account security. It will just take a while to load, and after that you will see three options. So as you can see, we have these options. So this last option says account delete. So just simply click onto this option and then you will get into here. Now if you want to delete your account, first you have to verify that action by entering your password or maybe sending a verification email. So it's all up to you. You can choose any one of these options, and after that it will just take a while and you will get here. Now it is asking that why you're leaving this app. So here you have a lot of options. You can choose any one of these, whichever you think is the right one for you. And if you tap onto other one, then you have to explain that why are you leaving this app. So if you want to get rid of this, then select any one of these options. And once you have selected it, just simply click on confirm, and it will again show you this. So just simply click onto this check option and then again click on confirm. Now it will just take a while to load, and after that it will take you to the next page where you have to confirm once again by just simply clicking on confirm. Once you tap on to confirm, it will delete your account. So here you just have to simply click on got it, and now you will get here. Now your account has been deleted. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete your Lazada account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.